So, hi guys, I am here unboxing AB6ix's new mini album, which is More Complete Have a Dream. So, we have here the Have version and the Dream version. So, it's so strange that brand new music changed their packaging, because AB6's last packaging is always the boxes, and having this, like, I mean, it looks nice though. I mean, this is more nicer or more like beautiful than the boxes. But yeah, the cover is so simple, but it's so beautiful. Like, oh my god, it's not even centered. What the frick? And now we are going to start with the have version. So this is the front. Yeah. So about this comeback, oh my god. Here is the checklist. So yeah, I mean, I really like the tracks in this album, and yeah, it's a masterpiece. So I saw an unboxing that the photo cards and shit are in here, so I'm just going to get those. Like, I prefer this album packaging than their last album packaging. So we have the credits and the CD. Oh my god, even the CD is so cute. Like, can you see that? Whoa. I like the baby blue on this album, so yeah. Now we are going to the inclusions. So we have the universe card. Next is, oh my god, I didn't saw the album content, so I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah. Next is we have the stickers. Oh my god, the stickers oh my god, even the stickers are so cute. I really like this comeback. You know, this comeback, oh my god, that's so cute. I mean, the comeback is cool, cute at the same time. So for the, oh my god, so for the postcard we have so we have Dewi. We have Dewi. Oh my god. So that's the postcard. So we are going to look at the pop-up. For the pop-up we have Woojin. Ooh. Oh my god. So we have Woojin for the pop-up. I mean, that's so cool. This is the first time like brand new music created a pop-up. Like, that's That's so cool. And the pop-up reminded me of Iceone's Heart Is. So yeah, that's that for the pop-up. Now for the photo cards. So I think it doesn't have a back. So we have oh my god. Oh my god. Am I Dewi blessed? Like I have a Dewi postcard and a Dewi photo card. Like this is so cute. Like ooh. Yes. Oh my god. This is like a cute photo card. Next we have we have Rung and Dewi. Again. Like oh my god. I'm blessed. Dewi blessed. Blessed. So yeah. So we have Dewi and Wong for the card. Oh my god. That's that for the have version. Next we have the dream version. Now it is like yellowish. So that's the spine. Whoa, like oh my god. The pastel colors is so cute. Like oh I forgot. Wait. So we have the credits in the last page and a cute CD. Oh my god. And the cute CD. So we have this CD, which is so cute. That's that for the photo book. Now we are going to the inclusions. So we are going to look at the stickers. It's just the same, but like the coloring, the colors. Yeah. Next is the universe card, which is, nothing special. Okay. So for the postcard, we have. Oh my god, that's so cute. This postcard is so cute. Like, okay, so I don't want to see the photo card because. Okay, let's go to the pop up inclusion. So in the pop-up we have Woojin. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have both Woojin. Ah! Oh my god. So if you don't know, like when I bought Salute and Salute A New Hope, I always pull Woojin. Like postcards, photo cards, unit photo cards. Behind book ID, I always pull Woojin. Like I'm not joking. Like I always pull Woojin. So for the photo card, we have. Oh my god, this is Dewi. Oh my. Oh my god. Dewi and like Woojin are loving me. Like, so that's the photo card. Next we have, okay, unit photo card, Moomin Dongyun. Bitch, the photo card is so cute. Like, look at Wong. Like, oh my G. Oh my god. They are so cute. So yeah. So this bitch, I mean me. This bitch forgot the posters. So yeah, I'm showing you the posters right now. So yeah. This is the poster for the dream version. So yeah, that's that. And this is the poster for the have version. So yeah. So that's that for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it because I did. I enjoyed this unboxing. Like my pulls are so immaculate. That's it for this unboxing. If you liked it, press like, subscribe. I don't know. You decide. And see you guys in the next unboxing, or I don't know. See you guys in the next video. So bye.